First Bus has placed an £81 million order for electric buses with Northern Ireland's Wrightbus. This follows successful bids with 5 local authorities as part of the Department for Transport's Zero Emission Bus Regional Area, or ZEBRA funding scheme. The £81 million order is for 193 buses. It will see new zero emission buses being rolled out from March 2023 in what is the largest EV bus purchase outside of London. First will invest £43 million in the new vehicles, and a grant of £38 million will come from the DfT's ZEBRA fund. The new buses will be for 5 cities in England. Leicester will receive 68 buses, York will get 44, Portsmouth will get 34, Leeds will get 32, and Norwich will receive 15. First has opted for GB Kite Electroliner battery electric vehicles, which are single deck, and Street Deck Electroliners battery electric vehicles, which are double decked. There has been no comment on which batteries will be fitted into these vehicles or which buses will be allocated to which cities. As the cost of electricity skyrockets, how will this impact bus passengers? Will fares have to rise? Let me know in the comments what you think. We will bring you more on this story as we get more details. To support the channel, give the video a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.